Hi, I'm Sharon, and today we're going to learn how to cook with tempeh. As a cook, I love how this new soybean ingredient has given me so many more options to play with when it comes to healthy cooking. Today, we are cooking with the Hello Tempeh natural cubes, which are extremely versatile and you can go really bold with flavors. So what is tempeh? It is an ingredient made by fermenting whole soybeans with no additives and no preservatives. Now don't think tofu. It is so different from tofu and in fact absorbs flavors much better than tofu or paneer. And the fact that these are fermented, well, it's great for your gut health too. So what are we cooking with tempeh today? We are making a Vindaloo. Yes, a tempeh Vindaloo with these cubes. The first step for making this Vindaloo is to marinate the tempeh cubes. Tempeh absorbs flavors really well, so it is a good idea to marinate them for about 10 to 15 minutes before you cook them. And make sure your tempeh cube packets are kept refrigerated. So take it out of the refrigerator just when you're ready to cook them. Let us marinate these tempeh cubes with some pepper powder, turmeric powder, and some salt. Keep the marinated tempeh cubes aside while we prepare the Vindaloo masala. For this, we need whole dry red chilies, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, seeds from one whole black cardamom, a few peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon. Dry roast these spices till they are fragrant. Into this ground spice powder, let's add some green chilies, ginger garlic paste, a little bit of sugar, vinegar, you can use lemon juice also, and some salt. So grind this together into a fine paste. The Vindaloo masala paste is ready. So the next step is to saute those cubes in a little bit of oil. So once the tempeh cubes are sauteed, add the prepared Vindaloo masala paste into it and then just keep it aside till it's ready to be added to the gravy. That way it absorbs that Vindaloo masala flavors also well. The last and final step is to prepare the gravy. So I generally add onions and tomatoes when I make Vindaloo, but there are many recipes which skip these two ingredients as well. Add a little oil to your kadai. Once the oil heats up, add some mustard seeds, curry leaves, and into this goes some chopped garlic. Once the garlic starts changing color, add chopped onions and a bay leaf to this. Add a little bit of salt So you need to cook this till the onions are translucent. Next goes in some tomatoes. Also add in half a teaspoon of chilli powder. These tempeh cubes are not just high in protein and great for your gut health, but they're high in fiber and low in carbs as well as fats. So all in all, it's super balanced. I hope you have enjoyed watching how to cook with tempeh cubes and will surely try out this tempeh vindaloo recipe. It's really easy to cook with tempeh once you get a hang of it. So why don't you try out my low-fat butter chicken or the tofu stir-fry recipe with these tempeh cubes? Let's tempeh!